I know this is not the food channel, but I gotta give you this recipe. Man, you gotta try this stuff. Chicken broth, about a cup of chicken broth, okay? I got 1 can of your favorite cream of chicken, condensed soup, alright? I particularly don't care what brand it is because it's just going into this recipe. Okay, then we got about a teaspoon of ground up rosemary, about a teaspoon of black pepper, a couple of teaspoons of onion flake, and about a teaspoon and a half of oregano. Okay, you like things different, that's fine. I'm telling you, do it exactly like this for your first time, and then experiment after that if you want to. But take all this, we're going to put it in an Instapot, and with that cup of chicken broth in there, I'm not going to add any more water. I have frozen stew beef that I got from a local farmer, and I'm just gonna chop it up and put it in there. So I'm just gonna chop it up and put it in cubes because it's still half frozen. Just took it out of the freezer. I got 3 pounds of this that I'm putting in there, okay? And I'm gonna cook it for 69 minutes, okay? You can go 70 if you want to, but that's it. Put it in the Instapot, cook it, let it cool down on its own. Don't release the pressure until it drops off itself, okay, and cools off. So try it. I'm telling you what, you put this over toast, put it over mashed potatoes, you put it over egg noodles, you got dinner, okay? This stuff is delicious. You gotta try it.